What's up, guys? I got an Acura MDX. This is a 2012 model. They're all pretty much similar. Let me just confirm with you guys. This is, 2011 model. 10, 11, 12, same thing. We got a A6 service here. You're gonna see it right there in the screen, right there, A6. Okay, so don't go to the dealer to pay 600 bucks. 300 bucks, 400 bucks. Okay, it's simply an engine oil change and your rear diff. Just keep your fluids up to date. Diff oil is probably like 30 bucks plus a service. You probably end up paying like 120 bucks at your local mechanic. Oil change another 50 bucks. You don't want to pay 300 bucks to go to the dealer. So I'm gonna show you guys how to reset that. So what you need to do is simply just put the key on accessory. Engine is off. Wait for that light to come on. We're gonna use this to scroll up and down. So what you want to do is just scroll till you come to that service A6. You're gonna press this button here. Again, I'm sorry. So we're gonna scroll. Okay, we're gonna push this button now. So all we need to do is we have to go back. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this button and hold it down. Wait for it. Takes good 10 seconds. You're gonna have now you're gonna have to select reset or cancel. So we're gonna push up. We're gonna highlight reset, and we're gonna push down on this one time, just one time. And it's all set. You're all set. Okay, so let's turn off. It's supposed to show, but I kept on pushing the button, but it's okay. That's how simple it is. We should no longer have that A6 light anymore in the dash. Let's see if we scroll. It should tell us 100% now, or the light shouldn't even be there. Okay, yeah, so the service is not even there. Service light is no longer there. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, guys. And it's really very simple to reset this light. Just scroll, hold on to it, good 10 seconds, then select reset and push this button once and wait for it to reset. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.